Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products so you don't have to. Today, I'm talking about something that promises to elevate your skincare routine to the next level, the Skin Plumping Hyaluronic Serum by Amala. This little powerhouse claims to hydrate, soften, and restore elasticity, helping your skin look smoother and more youthful. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This serum is designed to provide intense hydration using hyaluronic acid as its main ingredient. It works by helping your skin retain moisture, which is key for achieving a plump, hydrated complexion. With just a 0.17 ounce bottle, it's not exactly a heavy-duty skincare product in terms of size, but its formula makes a bold claim. It's meant to increase resilience and firmness, which are crucial elements in combating signs of aging. After incorporating it into my skincare routine, I was immediately drawn to its lightweight texture. It's not too thick or too runny, which made it incredibly easy to apply. It felt like a burst of moisture the moment it touched my skin, and my face absorbed it quickly without any greasy residue. This was a huge plus for me, as I don't want a serum that leaves a sticky or heavy feel behind. I've used it both morning and night, and one of the first things I noticed was how smooth my skin felt after just a few days of use. It's not a quick fix plumping effect, but rather a gradual change in how hydrated and supple my skin looked. The texture is certainly softer, and over time, the elasticity did feel more enhanced. The fine lines around my eyes were slightly less pronounced, which is always a good sign when you're dealing with an anti-aging product. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the serum provides a noticeable level of hydration, and it feels incredibly refreshing on the skin. The formula is gentle, so it works well for those with sensitive skin. I also love that it's free from harsh chemicals, which gives it a more natural appeal, especially if you're someone who's cautious about what you put on your skin. However, there are a couple of things to consider. First, the price point. For the small bottle, it does come at a premium price. While I did see improvements in hydration and texture, I'm not sure if the results justify the cost when you can find similar hyaluronic acid serums at a lower price. Secondly, if you have very dry skin, you may want to layer this with a more intensive moisturizer for added moisture retention. As for value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. If you're someone who is committed to clean beauty or looking for a serum that's gentle yet effective, this could be worth the investment. But for those on a budget, you might find alternatives that provide similar hydration at a lower cost. So, depending on your priorities, whether it's a more luxurious skincare experience or just solid performance, you'll have to weigh that out. I compared it to a few other popular hyaluronic acid serums, and while this one has the edge in terms of natural ingredients and skin-soothing properties, some of its competitors deliver more hydration for a better price. The formula, though, does feel like it's been tailored for those looking for a premium, clean skincare experience, so it stands apart in that regard. In terms of build quality and longevity, the bottle design is sleek and functional, but since it's such a small amount, you'll likely go through it fairly quickly if used daily. Given its lightweight texture, I didn't need much to get the benefits, but it still might not last long depending on how much you use. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct interaction with Amala's customer service, but based on the brand's reputation in the clean beauty space, they are known for their good customer service and responsiveness. They're proactive about maintaining customer satisfaction, which is always a plus. Regarding alternatives, if you're looking for something more affordable, you might want to try brands like The Ordinary or Neutrogena, both of which offer effective hyaluronic acid serums that perform similarly at a lower price point. That said, if you're loyal to natural beauty or want something more luxurious, this product could be worth it. To wrap it up, the Skin Plumping Hyaluronic Serum by Amala offers great hydration and softens the skin beautifully, but it might be on the pricey side for some. If you're looking for a more natural, premium option to enhance your skin's elasticity and fight signs of aging, it could be a great fit. However, if you're more budget conscious, there are definitely alternatives that offer similar benefits without the hefty price tag. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.